Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix iPhone need to cool down before use. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll go to interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option Bluetooth. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to turn off the Bluetooth. So after you turn off the Bluetooth, you'll have to just back from here. Okay, so now from the settings section, you'll have to go the option privacy. So simply you'll have to go the option. So simply tap on privacy and security. Okay, so from the privacy and security section, you'll have to go the option location service. And now from here, you'll have to turn off this location service at the top. So simply from here, you'll have to turn off and tap on turn off. Alright, so after you done this, you'll have to just back from here, and now from the settings section you'll have to go the option general. So simply swipe off and go the option general. Okay, so from the general section, tap on software update, and now from the software update section, make sure that you have updated the latest version of iOS on your device. So simply you can update the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So simply tap on this update now option, and after you tap on this option, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and you have to go the option general, and from the general section you'll have to find the option background app refresh. Alright, so simply tap on this option. Alright, so from this section, turn up this option background app refresh. So after you done this, you'll have to just back from here, and again you'll have to go the option general. Alright, so from here, scroll down at the bottom and go the option shut down. So simply you have to shut down your iPhone, and when you have turn on your iPhone again, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.